CNC vacuum tables, how they work and why they are essential in professional furniture production. When people think about CNC woodworking, they usually focus on the machine itself. The spindle, the cutting speed, the router bits, or the incredible furniture that comes off the machine. But there is one component that often goes unnoticed, even though it plays a crucial role in every professional CNC workshop. The vacuum table. Without a proper work-holding system, even the most expensive CNC machine can struggle to produce accurate results. A perfectly designed toolpath means very little if the material moves during machining. And that's exactly why professional furniture manufacturers rely heavily on vacuum technology. In this video, we're going to explore how CNC vacuum tables work, why they have become the industry standard, and how they help produce high-quality furniture with incredible precision and efficiency. What is a CNC vacuum table? At first glance, a CNC vacuum table may look like a simple machine bed. But underneath the surface lies a sophisticated system designed to hold material firmly in place using air pressure. Instead of mechanical clamps, a vacuum table uses suction generated by a powerful vacuum pump. As air is removed from beneath the material, atmospheric pressure pushes the sheet downward and locks it against the table surface. The result is a secure hold across the entire sheet rather than at just a few clamping points. This allows the CNC machine to work faster, more accurately, and with fewer limitations. For furniture manufacturers, this is a game-changing advantage. Why material hold down matters. Every CNC operation creates force. As the cutting tool moves through wood, it pushes, pulls, and generates vibration. If the material shifts even slightly, problems can appear immediately. You may end up with inaccurate dimensions, poor fitting joints, rough edges, or even damaged parts. In furniture manufacturing, precision often comes down to fractions of a millimeter. A tiny movement can affect an entire assembly. This is why professional workshops invest heavily in reliable hold-down systems. The better the material is secured, the better the final product will be. And honestly, many CNC quality problems that people blame on tooling or machine settings are actually caused by poor work-holding. How vacuum technology actually works. The science behind vacuum tables is surprisingly simple. A vacuum pump removes air from channels built into the table. Once a sheet of material is placed on the surface, the system creates a pressure difference between the top and bottom of the panel. Atmospheric pressure then pushes the material firmly against the table. The larger the surface area and the better the seal, the stronger the holding force becomes. This is one reason why full sheets of plywood and MDF work exceptionally well on vacuum tables. What seems like simple suction is actually a powerful force capable of holding large panels securely during aggressive machining operations. Types of CNC vacuum tables. Not all vacuum tables are designed the same way. Different CNC applications require different work-holding solutions, and over the years manufacturers have developed several types of vacuum systems to meet specific production needs. The most common type is the full-sheet vacuum table. This system is widely used in furniture manufacturing because it allows entire sheets of plywood, MDF, or particle board to be secured quickly and efficiently. Another popular option is the zoned vacuum table. Instead of applying vacuum across the entire machine bed, the surface is divided into individual zones that can be activated independently. This improves efficiency and reduces unnecessary air loss. For solid wood furniture and custom components, many workshops use pod and rail systems. These systems support individual pieces rather than full sheets and provide excellent access to the edges of the workpiece. Each system has its strengths, and professional workshops choose the solution that best matches their production requirements. Understanding vacuum pumps. The vacuum pump is the heart of every vacuum table system. Without a powerful and reliable pump, even the best designed vacuum table cannot perform properly. Its job is simple. It continuously removes air from beneath the material and maintains the pressure difference needed to hold the workpiece securely. Several types of pumps are commonly used in CNC woodworking. Rotary vane pumps are known for their strong vacuum performance and are widely used in professional furniture production. Side channel blowers are often found in smaller CNC systems and can provide high airflow, although typically with lower vacuum levels. Industrial facilities may also use claw pumps or advanced dry running vacuum pumps designed for continuous operation. Choosing the right pump depends on factors such as machine size, material type, production volume, and budget. A properly sized pump can dramatically improve machining stability and production efficiency. Vacuum tables versus traditional clamps. Before vacuum tables became common, most CNC operators relied on clamps to secure their material. And while clamps are still useful in certain situations, they have several limitations. Clamps occupy valuable space on the machine bed. They can interfere with toolpaths and often require additional setup time. Operators must constantly position, adjust, and sometimes relocate them during production. Vacuum tables eliminate many of these challenges. Because the holding force is distributed across the entire surface, there are no obstacles for the cutting tool to avoid. This allows faster machining, more efficient nesting, and greater flexibility when producing furniture components. For high-volume production environments, the difference in productivity can be significant. That is why most modern furniture factories rely heavily on vacuum workholding systems. Vacuum tables in modern furniture production. Walk into a professional furniture factory today, and you will likely see vacuum tables everywhere. They are used for cutting cabinet components, wardrobes, kitchen units, shelving systems, and countless custom furniture parts. One of the biggest advantages is speed. Large sheets can be loaded directly onto the machine, processed, and unloaded quickly with minimal setup time. Vacuum systems also work exceptionally well with nesting operations. Furniture parts can be arranged efficiently across an entire sheet, reducing waste and maximizing material usage. The result is faster production, lower costs, and greater consistency. For modern furniture manufacturing, vacuum tables are no longer considered a luxury. They have become an essential part of the workflow. Common vacuum problems and how professionals solve them. Like any production system, vacuum tables can experience problems. One of the most common issues is vacuum leakage. Leaks can occur due to worn gaskets, damaged table surfaces, poor material sealing, or loose fittings. Another challenge appears when machining very small parts. As pieces are cut free from the main sheet, they lose surface area and may not have enough holding force to remain secure. Professional operators solve this problem using techniques such as onion skin cutting, tabs, specialized fixtures, or secondary hold-down systems. Regular maintenance is also essential. Cleaning vacuum channels, inspecting seals, and monitoring pump performance can prevent many problems before they affect production. In professional workshops, preventive maintenance is considered just as important as machine maintenance itself. The future of CNC vacuum technology. Vacuum technology continues to evolve alongside CNC manufacturing. Modern systems are becoming smarter, more efficient, and increasingly automated. Today's advanced vacuum tables can include automatic zone control, intelligent vacuum monitoring, digital pressure sensors, and software integration. Future systems may automatically adjust holding force based on material type, sheet size, and machining requirements. As furniture production becomes more automated, vacuum technology will play an even greater role in improving efficiency and reducing waste. The goal is simple: faster production, greater precision, and fewer errors. And judging by current industry trends, the future looks incredibly promising. Final thoughts. When people discuss CNC woodworking, they often focus on machines, software, and cutting tools. But the truth is that none of those components can perform at their best without reliable workholding. A vacuum table may not be the most visible part of a CNC machine, but it is one of the most important. It improves accuracy. It increases productivity. It enhances safety. And it allows manufacturers to produce furniture more efficiently than ever before. Whether you're running a small workshop or a large furniture factory, understanding vacuum technology can help you achieve better results and take your CNC woodworking to the next level. At the end of the day, precision starts with stability. And in modern CNC woodworking, stability begins with the vacuum table.